How to fix error code 529 on the Roblox. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple. So now let's get started. First of all, you have to go on your Windows, and here you have to go on the computer management. Here is the computer management app. You have to click on it. Now once you are in here, you have to open up it and click on the device manager. Now once you're in, you have to go on the display adapters, and here you have to go on the AMD and Intel adapter. Here you have to update that. Now after that, you have to go on the Intel Ethernet connection, and here you have to also click on the update and also update the Ethernet connection. Here you have to click on the next and update this. Now after that, what you have to do is simply go on the your Roblox player, and here you have to click on the run and administration. Once you're done with it, you have to restart your computer. And this is how you can fix 529 error on the Roblox.